Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 150. If we start with this box, we're just missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this row now, we're missing a 4. For this bottom row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 2, no help here, 1, 2, 7, and no help here, 1, 2, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here and a 4 here, so this is our 5. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. For this row now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 4. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 4 covering here and 4 covering here, so our 4 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2, and I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. And with that 1, we can get rid of this 1. For this top row, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 1, 5. That 1 makes this our 2. That 2 makes this our 8, 2. And that 2 makes this our 7. The 7 and 2 make this our 1, 2. For this column now, we're missing a 1. That 1 makes this our 5, 1. For this column, we're missing a 9. And for this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.